today I'll be showing you how to make use of a hemming gum on a breast pad. Before now, I used to make use of the lighter one, which is the white colored one that has some parts of gum on one side, but I noticed it's too light, so I decided to go over to this one. Some people do sew this down and just leave it like that and keep it hanging around, but instead of doing that, to give your breast pad a finished look, you can make use of this hemming gum, which I so much prefer. It gives it this neat look, this neat and professional look. So watch what I'll be doing now. I'll be taking the hemming gum and I'll be placing it around every side of the breast pad to make sure it is secured in every part. But I won't be leaving the middle around. Sorry, I won't be leaving the middle left out. So I'm just going to place the hemming gum around the breast pad like I mentioned. Watch what I'll be doing. Then I poured water on it. Make sure you put enough water, because the more water you put, the more it is likely to stay, the more firm it becomes. So I'm just going to use my iron to press it down. I made use of gas, so that's why I'm using this flat steel iron. Just going to press it down very well so it becomes everything. So that's it. I'll just go over to gum that place again, and that's it. Now I'll be moving over to the center front, because I'll be doing exactly the same thing on that center front to give it a complete look. If you notice here, I left half-inch allowance at the top for the joining of Bustier. This is an off-the-shoulder bustier. That's why it is like this. It's not complete, no shoulder. So just go over to put the hemming gum around the neck area and the curved parts. I'm just going to put it everywhere, but I didn't get to put the hemming gum at the middle of these parts. I guess I forgot, but you shouldn't forget when you're doing yours. Make sure to put it around everywhere so it stays in every corner. It becomes firmer, stronger, and more balanced. And make sure while you're doing this, the hemming gum doesn't come out from any area, because by the time it sticks to the iron, it gives it this rough look and it becomes hard to make use of the iron till you scrape it out. So I'm just going to be very careful while placing the hemming gum. Make sure to put it at the middle. I forgot to do mine here. Make sure you place some pieces at the middle, just like I did in the other side. Now I'm going to pour my water again. I'm going to use my spray can or my bottle to pour water, and I'll be making use of my very hot iron again so as to get what I want. Because if the iron is not hot and you're trying to do this, the hemming gum will get to melt. So you want to make sure your iron is very hot, not too hot though, but it should be hot in order to melt the hemming gum. So I'm just going to put at the corner where the hemming gum did not get to, and that's it. I'll be pressing it down now. I guess my iron wasn't even hot enough, because you can still the water there. So you want to make sure yours is very hot. So I'll be cutting out the extras on this side now. Now I've cut it out and you see how neat it looks. I made use of my iron again, so make sure your iron is very hot while doing this, but it shouldn't be too hot like I mentioned. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.